Hello guys, in this video I will show you on how to download and install VirtualBox on your on Windows 10 machine. Use download in your favorite browser. Just type VirtualBox download. Click the link for Oracle VirtualBox. Then click downloads. If you don't see this Windows host, you can click this download and you will be redirected on this page. Then based on your operating system, select your OS and click the Windows host, since my machine is Windows. Then click the file to install. Click yes. Click next, and you can set your program installation path, or you can use the default one. Choose your option below. You can uncheck the creation of icon on desktop, but I am selecting all of that. Okay, this is warning for network interface. You can enter this. Click yes. Click install and wait until the installation complete. Then click finish. As you can see, it's automatically open VirtualBox. This is the environment of Oracle VirtualBox. So this application will allow you to create virtual machine for multiple operating system, any operating system like Linux, Windows, OS X for Mac, or click the type the type of operating system you can configure here. You can assign any storage memory size. Also you can create a virtual disk for this application. Okay, on my next video I will demonstrate on how to create virtual machine on this VirtualBox. Thank you.